Hey to all, welcome to Audit Solutions. My name is Uday Kumar. Today we're going to look at a very super quick video. We are going to see how to total cells when there are errors. Let's get straight into the sample data. So I have some values where it could be any total, pivot, VLOOKUP, any values. So I have some values here. There are some errors and there is some text in between. So if I use the general sum function, obviously it's going to give me an error. Sometimes the other technique that is used is to put a if NA formula before this, and then if it is a NA, so this is the function used. So if NA VLOOKUP, and if the VLOOKUP gives an error, I can tell, say it could be a 0 or it could be a blank. Now, is there any other way in which I can find this total? I can use a function called aggregate. I can use this function called aggregate. So what is it that I need to do? This is a very powerful function. You can do a host of things using this. So right now I am looking to find the sum. So I'm going to put 9. I'll press tab or type 9, comma. What is it that I want it to do? I want it to ignore error values. So you have lot of other features or functions here. So as I said, it's a very powerful function which you can use. So now I want it to ignore the error values, right? And then comma the total, right? So it gives me the correct value of 10, ignoring the text and also the errors that are coming in. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.